Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can leave a feedback in the Outnet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Feedback button. And as you can see, you can send them an email and express your opinion on the application that way. Or you can click on this Enjoying the App button and you can rate them, and you can also review them. These are available in the App Store, and you can also review them through Trustpilot. And if something is wrong, then you can email them and call them. There's a 24/7 help. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.